What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Remember last video, the lady had the washer and dryer? I got it and ran across the street. When I was pulling out, there was another washer. So a nice feller helped me load that up, and we're gonna go unload this and start dumpster diving. So we already got our gas money and then some. So hopefully we grab some more stuff. So that's a good little start. 3 big appliances. I said, well, I better go check and see if she set them out. And she did. So I went and grabbed them. All right, let's go getting some dumpsters. I'm gonna go unload these. All right, first dumpster, guys. It's been good to us 2 weeks in a row. Let's see what we got. Oh, it couldn't do 3. Ah, that's all right though. Let's go see. I won't show y'all any more blanks, but hopefully we did. I ran into one scrapper, so I'm not sure how good we'll do today, but every time I run into, I mean, you're still gonna find something. I can't get it all. I can't get it all. People are always still throwing away stuff, so all day long. So let's see. Let me get situated here. All right, on we go. A 2-tool job. The old blow-up mattress. There's a broom down there. We'll take that and be on our merry way, or not so merry way. We'll take a cord. All right, hopefully we can get in some good stuff. You know what, it's something. I'm gonna take something. I think I say that a lot. That's not aluminum. It don't look aluminum. Yeah, it does, kind of. It is. I don't know why it look. Take this apart for space. It's those real easy ones to take apart. I'll take some aluminum. Some of them just have just regular Phillips screws. Let's get rid of the trash here, save us some room. Double looks over, there's a mop back there, but all right. Now it's about 30 cents in the trunk. On we go. There's some routers or something down there. E-waste. Hey, dear old butt pal, the microwave again. No plate. I must have sold it on eBay. Let's see what's in that box. get us another cord out of here. No, I don't think so. Like this, any of these have cords? They're the old-fashioned ones. You have your own pump. Alright, let's see this other box here. Well, take a microwave. On we go. How's that basket? Yeah. It's gonna use it, but no, I'll pass. We'll find something better. I need a few more containers. On we go. Let's grab this cord off this TV hanging out. Alright, we don't even need to cut it. Right. Another cord for the horde. What's that? See it from that side. What is that thing? Nothing I want, huh? I need that. Well, there's a piece of metal down there. Hold your breath, as Aqua Chigger says. Do we want to take it? That's a lot of plastic compared to normal vacuums and shampoo. I don't mess with them really. Guess we'll take it. It's all metal. Hey, looky here. That's a good mess. Good mess of wars. All the slime, all the slime you want on them. Couple dollars worth. Sweet. Got it all. Oh, there's some more little strands of it back there. Good thick stuff. Cool, man. Let's go look in this dumpster. On we go. There's a fan, man. And I'll have to take it apart somewhere else. But they set it out because it was good. Take a look, get rid of that part now. Kind of just, yeah, we'll deal with it later. Always later. Take it apart at another dumpster. Dr. Seuss books last weekend. Last week. I think that, yeah, that's communications wire. Low grade insulated wire 1. Nothing else in that box. Not much there this week. Oh, is there? Alright, cool. Oh, we got some cool stuff in here. At least one cool thing. This radio, man, is cool. I found one before in it. Or actually, oh, this ain't the radio. That ain't the radio. That's the something else. Holy crap. All kinds of stuff with cords. I'm excited. I'm overwhelmed. Goodness. Should have backed up to this one, huh? What's this? It's a dehydrator. VCR, man. Retro scrap. It does have a motor in it, doesn't it? And we'll take it. We'll take it. Alright. Get that out of the way. Get this. Come on, baby. Let's get this boom box. Antennas broke. Toshiba. Oh man, I don't know. I like finding them. Alright, let's piddle around here. Did see this. I don't have my screw gun with me. Get the cord off of it though, Coonts. There's some cool old stuff in here, I think, guys. Wire. me though. Let's see what's in this bag. Oh, I don't know what was in it, but it didn't have a bottom in it. Goodness, this is aggravating me. Some small shreds, aluminum. All right, here we go. We got us a bucket now. Bucket with some brass in it. Doesn't feel very heavy. Just small shreds, really. There's a cord, it looks like. Maybe. Did I miss it? I don't know. Oh, it's a cut-off cord. Just the plug. Our magnet stick, Tom. Primer. It's a broom. Sawzall blade. There's some aluminum down there, so I didn't stick to it. There's some more. I'm gonna jump in, I think. Pull out of the way and just back up and jump in. These ones are kind of hard for me to get in and out of. And not so much, but out. Yes. Just slide. This is what I've seen. I've seen some more little tidbits down here, aluminum. Some more. Is it a volleyball? I almost had it all licked, didn't I? A printer. It's got a metal bottom. Can't take that. Dumpster bungee. The only thing we gotta get is this darn cord. One way to do it. Should have brought my screw gun with me, yeah. Alright, so I didn't leave that much. But I figure it would satisfy people thinking that I left millions, and for my own peace of mind as well. That was hard. Okay, let's go over there and see what's happening. So, sorry for breathing hard. All y'all that are in really good shape tends to piss y'all off when a fat man gets in the dumpster. I don't think we have anything new. I thought that was shred, but it's not. Oh, there's another. It's a big old pipe. Well, oh, that's not put up, that's PVC. Oh well, jumped in for nothing, didn't we? There's a cord. Another CRT TV. This is wood. And so let's see. So that was pretty lame. Pretty lame. I thought that was big old pipe. I jump in when I don't need to, and when I do, I don't. take this one. Having to do the old push of shame. I got it in the parking lot. I've done that a time or two. Sometimes I had to do it by myself in the old white Suburban when the fuel pump was going in and out. When I was broke as a joke, it'd go out and I'm like, oh no, at a stoplight, and I'd have to push it. Anybody want a Maggoty fan? I'm trying to get it where we don't have to. Get it on. I think I seen something stacked behind here. Yeah, I did, but I don't want none of that junk deal. Yeah, it's all just junk. Alright, on we go. A little smashed up chair here. Hopefully we'll take it. Let's do some reorganizing. A lot of little stuff. Lots and lots of little bits. We got us another one. We'll take it. It'll blend right in with those washing machines and stuff that we picked up earlier. We can skin this one down pretty good. Howdy. How you doing? That old feather cut the cord on it. I guess they're not using it, are they? What is that? More little bits with little cords. Well, I got some cord cutting to do, don't I? Some dirties aluminums. You don't see anything else? Cool, man. It's the kind of stuff I like finding anyway. Getting her smalls this go around. Got her bigs up early this morning already. On we go. Well, it's time to rearrange the truck. We got my least favorite piece of scrap, but we can't turn it back. Old Mr. This guy's always setting out good stuff all the time. We're gonna get it loaded up. Do some organizing real quick. Come out of the front. always load these the hard way. That wasn't too bad. Yet. See how it goes when I try to stand her up. There we go. Well, guess we'll take it. There we go. Thank you, folks. Looks like there's some running boards hanging out of that dumpster. Let's get over there and get them. After, I was just happy to get, I'm about to get stung. Oh, some aluminiums here. Oh, it's a Ford. Some Ford running boards. Get a spongy around them. I want to see a few tidbits here. Save that for somebody else. Oh, you were going with me. That is too cool for school, man. Too cool for school. That is thumbnail. Maybe. Hopefully we don't tear it up. What else we got here? Lionel train set puzzle put together. Puzzles, man. Cool puzzles. I don't know what I would do with them. What is this? 2 sticker photo frames? Maybe. I didn't put the puzzles together, so save them for somebody else. Let's see what's in the dumpster. Look at this big old oh man. Ugh. Jensen's. My wife might kill me if I bring that home. It's fairly clean. Will that wash? I don't know. I'd hate to bring home some bed bugs or something. I really would. Ooh. There's some good stuff in here. Maybe some slip-on shoes, never been worn. Like those Hey Dude, those fake Hey Dudes, man. Size 12, I'm 11.5, that'll work for me. I'm really on the fence about grabbing that. Oh, goodness. I hate to leave them. Toe kit. Speaker for the shower. Lilies. I don't know if it works or not. Leave it right there. This thing. What these Nikes or Adidas's 11s? I've seen better days. Food. I don't mess with food really. I mean, nothing wrong with it really, but food's not for me, man. Both there. I don't know. Baby shampoo, black mask, clothes. Somebody moved out. Yeah, same house as that. They got a dog. I better not take it. Jensen's allergic to dogs and cats and cleaning chemicals. I'll take that. Comic Classic, I'll take that. Shower cleaner. It's almost empty. Tupperware. Alright, let's get this put up. I want that, don't I? Good little spot. Stop. Just don't accidentally drink these, Coonts. All kinds of cool stuff in here. Somebody got a trophy for something. I don't know. Stuffed animals, dog toys. Dog toys. Okay, I lied. I will take some stuff. Not to put back here. Case of Cokes. What could be wrong with them? I don't drink Cokes, but my wife might. These little TV trays. I might get us by for a bit. I'm gonna take these actually. Worst case scenario, I'll just throw them back away. What I wanted to do, but I can't even get in here to see what else is in here. Okay, we may just have to cut our losses. We've been here a little bit too long anyway. Extra large. Take it easy. I like it. This is my size stuff. Alright, I'm making a mess. This isn't going as well as I planned. Edit. Oh, shirt. I'll have to do some cleaning up. I do want that shirt though, if it's my size. DVD player, you know it works. XX. Good song. Donkey Kong. Dude, I want to empty this whole dumpster out, but I'm not really supposed to be here either. Look at that one already. Yeah. Alright. I think we got her all. That I can see. I'm gonna check the other side real quick. Been here too long. But I love stops like these. I wish I've been run out of this place before. You know what I mean? It's regular trash over here. Regular trash, okay. It's all food. You know there ain't crap wrong with that food, but I don't want to risk it. Beanie Babies, all nasty ones. They're worth millions. Beanie Baby scored. No. I don't know. No. An anteater. There's some cool ones in here, man. I don't really want them though. I'll put them here. There's something cool, but there's not really. Alright, that's regular trash. Alright. Y'all can get mad at me. Y'all can come back and get them if you want them. I regret not getting that sloth for Jensen, but I'd hate for him to have an allergic reaction. Or Lucy. Both of my kids are really allergic to cats and dogs, actually. Lucy's allergic to dogs and Jensen's allergic to cats. Real bad. So we can't ever. Anyways, y'all probably already know that, but it smelled of dog and there was dog toys and all that, so my shirts can be washed. So, but that picture of that cat in the space deal, dude, that was cool. There was probably all kinds of cool shirts in there in the bottom, but I stayed there too long. I got a couple TV trays. Use them at home until still ain't got a kitchen table. I guess I could have took that big sloth to a big laundromat, you know, or something, and got it clean, but I left it where somebody could see it. And remember, some of y'all might be mad that I didn't take food and dig a little deeper. Just remember, I didn't put none of that stuff there. I'm just showing it to you. I took what I wanted, and I only have X amount of room, and I'm not gonna get in a big debate on dumpster food, because I mean, I take it for myself sometimes, but I wouldn't donate it. That's just me though. I'll get some good food and donate it. Not that that's even bad, but anyways, I'm not gonna go down that. That's just not for me, man. Okay, here's a perfect example. There at the bottom of this dumpster is full of rat poison, see? So like next week, there could be, which is pretty bad. I don't know how many birds are getting in there drinking the water and probably dying. Next week it could be full of food. You know what I mean? So like all those dumpsters, I see what's been in there before and it just kind of grosses me out. Now if it was, I don't know. That's an example why I don't do it. You do what you want to do. That's why I don't. But I hope we find some more good stuff, guys. Are y'all having fun? I'm having fun. On we go. Might have some aluminum wire down here. No, that is coaxial. What was I thinking? Yeah, all right. Stay right. I'm gonna get a tangly mess. We'll get a tangly mess. I ain't found nothing in there, so. There's the rest of it back there, but we'll leave it. It's not a cord, it's just a dog leash. And it's metal, so it'll shred. Give us another ounce or two. Boy, it's a day for these. Free. We'll take it. Maybe we can get it right there. Well, I'm just gonna make a mess anyway. It's still attached. Let's get this big boy. Do some reorganizing real quick. Coonts, you grabbed the Coke. Cokes. I did. I'm not taking the free sign, they can keep it. Thank you, folks. Y'all guys still with me? Those of y'all that are. Let me know. A little piece of kitty cat wire. Cat 5 wire. I'm kind of getting slow. I found a couple broomsticks. I didn't turn the camera on for that, but I went ahead and grabbed them. Get out of here, fly. I got us. Come on, get free. I don't know if it got out or not. Oh well. Monitor. cords are there to it. Pretty decent looking. Might work. Last dumpster of the day. Are we gonna have anything? This is it. We've checked everything that I can think of. No, we have nothing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We had a pretty good, we did really good actually, because we got the 2 washers and that dryer right off the bat this morning, and all kinds of little stuff with cords and whatnot. And that one dumpster was really good and got a bunch of wires and a treadmill and yeah, some good, that cool poster, like I said. Yeah, I had fun. I hope y'all did. So I'll get to working on this video and get it out for y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Hope y'all have a good week, and I will put out a couple more videos this week. Probably just like scrapyard trips and selling this, but there's a few of y'all that like to watch it, so I appreciate those that do watch those. I know most of y'all are here for the dumpster diving, but might as well record more, huh? But y'all guys have a good one. See you on the next one.